This video will show you how to buy Million token on QuickSwap with TrustWallet. Open your web browser. In your browser search bar type quickswap.exchange. Click on Connect Wallet. Click on WalletConnect. Click on Connect. Enter your TrustWallet password. Click on Connect. Switch to your web browser window without closing TrustWallet. Click on the gear icon. Under Slippage Tolerance choose 0.1%. Click on Select a token. Under Search Name or Paste Address type Million. Click on Under Matic enter the amount of Matic you want to swap for Million token. You are ready to buy Million token. Switch to TrustWallet. Enter your TrustWallet password. Click on OK. Open the menu. Under Search Tokens type Million. Enable Million Polygon.